Made of the highest quality materials. Camping tents accessories. Another quality Coleman product. Set up the tent quickly with the steel tent pegs and rubber mallet. Keep it clean for the entire campout with the nesting hand broom and dustpan. When the fun is done, use the tent stake puller to get the pegs out of the ground easily. All 4 of these important tools fit nicely inside the mesh carry bag for the next adventure. Top reviews from the United States. Recommend. Really good. We camped out 10 days. We went to Yosemite, Sequoia/Kings Canyon National Park and the Big Sur. They look like we didn't even use them. They were very useful. The little broom can be a bit of a headache. It depends on how big your tent is, though. The stakes are really good. Our tent is for 8 people. We had the ones that came with the tent, and with those in the 4 that came in this set we made it work. One thing I definitely love on this kit is that the stakes came with a protector at the end, which is really good if you have children, or even for adults, so that you don't poke or hurt yourself. I would definitely recommend this tent kit.